Today's video, we're going to be learning how to create a VTU website. And one of the things you are going to learn is how to have a hosting and pay for the hosting. Then once you have your hosting name and your domain name, your hosting server and your domain name where you will upload your script, you are good to go. So today we're going to be using DP hosting. DP hosting is one platform that gives a lot of advantages. They have 24 hours customer service, and so 24 hours customer service, uptime in server response, and other stuff like that. So let's just go type DP hosting, DP hosting, hosting.com.ng. Okay, this is the dphosting.com.ng. In this place, you can search your domain name or do whatever you want to do with DP hosting. If you want to know their services, it's very easy. All you just need to do is to click on this. If you want to buy register domain, click on this sign here, this one here. You see register domain there. Domain search, you search for the domain, the availability. If you don't want to buy the domain, you can use transfer domain if you have an existing domain from a server before. So since we're not going to do that, we just, first of all, one thing you should do first is register your account. And if you want to register your account, you click on this button here to register your account. Okay, when you click on register, it will take you to the registration page where you do the normal registration, input your data, input all what you want to input, then you continue. Okay, so we're not going to do all this because I already have an account with them. What I'll just do is I will log in my already existing account. Okay, I'll just log in my details here. Okay, when you continue, you will see, once you log in, you will see your cPanel will open this way. Then you go to, what I want us to do now is to upload the script from scratch. Okay, you're going to be uploading your VTU script and making it run as it's supposed to run. Okay, so let's just go to file manager. You click on file manager, then you will now go to where once you click on file manager, we are using our phone, so we are going to click on desktop view so that we can manipulate our screen how we want it. Okay, when we click on desktop view, we can widen our screen and reduce the widening. Okay, sorry, let's remove desktop view to see what we get. No, it's supposed to be on desktop view. I don't know why that is doing that, but however, let's just ignore that. Okay, if it's not clicking, you can click on public underscore HTML to open your script. Okay, to open your, as you can see, there was a script installed here before called Visa Banking. Let's just delete the entire script so that we can install our new VTU script. Okay, I'm going to delete it. I'm the owner of the script, so I can reinstall it later. So now let's install our VTU website. Please pay attention to every detail of what we're going to be doing here. We'll click on the install up here. You will see a little button called install up here at the top here. Upload, sorry, you see the upload button. You click on the upload button to take you to where you will upload your script. Then you click on this. It will not show your file manager. It will take you to where exactly the script you want to upload is. Okay, I can't really remember where the script is, but what I will simply do is just to go to where I used to store my script online. Mega. I used to store my script on Mega. Okay, let me go to Mega, then click on VTU scripts. Okay, let's just use VTU scripts. Let's use this. Let's use this. Let's upload this. It's going to take a little time, so you have to be patient with us until it finish loading. We have a lot of VTU scripts there, but it will take a little time. But when it's done loading, it will start uploading on the normal place it's supposed to upload. Okay, now we have selected where it is inside our phone, and we have put it. We have selected it and it's uploading now. We have to wait for it to finish uploading. Once it finishes uploading, then we'll start our extraction. It's loading, though the network is very slow, but let's just wait for it. Okay, it is 100% now. Let's just wait. Okay, it has uploaded. Let's go back to, we click on the go back to our screen interface, to our cPanel file manager. Once we get back to our cPanel manager, the network is fluctuating, but let's just wait for it. Let's just wait for it a little. Okay, once it's finished loading. Okay, now it has uploaded. We have the video, we have the script here. So what we want to do now, want to unzip it. So you click, hold it down. Remember, I'm using mobile view. So you click, hold it down, go to extract. You click on extract. So we're extracting it into public_HTML. Then you click extract. Then all the necessary files will appear there. I getting, these are the necessary files. It have been extracted. By now, our site is supposed to be live, but we have not uploaded the database, so we don't expect it to come live. But let's just give it a check to be sure we uploaded it well. This is the address of the website. Okay, it's not yet working. So what we'll go and do now is to upload our database. And how do we do that? We go to our SQL manager in our cPanel. Let's go to our cPanel. Where's my cPanel? Okay, SQL manager. Manage your database. At this manage your database, this is what we are looking for here. You enter here to create database. You enter here to create your database. Now create database. You put your database name here, but I've already created database which I don't want to create another. Then if you create your database, you create database user, you put the name here. For easy identification purposes, you can use the same name you used before. These are the details I created before. This is my database name, user. So it's going to be like this. If you add a name here, for example, if I said user here, it will create it as trustpay_user will be the username. Okay, I don't know if you understand. Then when you are done with it, you give it all privileges. You click on add. You give all privileges. You will mark it all. Then you click on make changes. Once you are done with make changes, you can see that success, you have saved trustos_user as privileges on the database, whatever. So when we are done with that, what we'll do now is to go back to our cPanel. Then we'll now go to phpMyAdmin to upload our SQL. This generally works for all kind of websites you want to build. Any kind of website, you must have the database and you must have the front end. Okay, which is the script we uploaded on our file manager. Okay, now we have gone to our phpMyAdmin. This is our back end where we upload our SQL file. So we'll click on the name of the our database. We'll click on the name. Remember, I'm using a phone view. These are the files in that place, the former files. Okay, what I will do is that it seems there was a file here before which I'll go and delete. Let me go and delete the files here so that we will have a clean interface. Okay, I'll delete the files here. What I'll do is let me go back here. Now let me mark all the files. Sorry, I'm coming. The reason why these files are showing is just because of there was an existing database which I don't want to create a new one. But I'll just check all, then select drop. I'll drop. To drop means to delete. Yes. Enable foreign key, whatever. I've dropped everything, so the database is approximately empty, I should say. Let's click on it to check again. Now it's empty, there's nothing inside. So what we'll do now is to click on the side arrow. You see a little arrow at the side here. At the side here, you see a little arrow there. You click on it to go to the other side. I wish you're using computer screen. Everything will be widely open for you. You click on it to go to the other side. Are you understanding me? You click on it to go to the other side. Then you click on these three lines up here. These three lines up here, okay? You click on that three lines to import your database. Once I click import now, it will take me to the import screen. Now, what I'm importing is, let's click on that again. Come on. Sorry, our screen is reloading. Our screen is reloading. Let's go back. We're clicking on, what's that? What's all this? Okay, we're clicking on import. Let's click on import. Now here we will import, choose file. Here we will import our database. Okay, let's click on this file manager to take us to our phone. Let's go to let me use where I used to save my files. Okay, let me use this VTU this. Now this is the database of the website we just uploaded. This is the database here. So let's just upload the database. You can see it's .sql file. Okay, let's just click on it to upload the database. Since it's not big, I believe it's supposed to be fast. It has entered. Let's just click import to import it. Let's click import to import it. The same way we selected it from that mega, that same way we can also select it from our phone memory or wherever we saved it before, if we have it. Okay, that same way we can get it. Let's just wait for it to import. Now it has successfully imported. We now have it in our trusthost.com.ng. I mean trustpay.ng. Okay, now what we'll now do now, since we have uploaded our database, we'll go back to our previous work. And what we want to do now is that I want to connect the front end to the back end. You get, so that they will be working together, since is the we have uploaded our database on the back end. So we'll look for cure or core, however you pronounce it, COR. Look for core folder in our public_html, or let's say we look for let me look at the asset. Core is core. Let's reload this page so that there will be a plus sign on our public_html. Now there's a plus sign there. We'll click on the public_html. You now look for core. You see core folder there. No, not that, not this, excuse me. Let's look for core. Okay, this is core folder. Inside of core folder, let's look for model. Now this is model. Inside of model, remember I'm teaching you how to create a VTU website. Inside of model, let's edit. We're editing model.php. Let's check if that's where our codings are. Model.php. Let's edit it. Let's see what is inside. If it's where our database connection is. Okay, I think that is where it is. This is the codings for model.php. As you can see, this is the coding for model.php, and this is the connection of our database. You can see the name that is here is QuickTel. So we're going to change this QuickTel to we'll click on it to edit it. We'll change this QuickTel. We'll change it to TrustPay, sorry. We change it to TrustPay underscore trust trustpay underscore user. The underscore did not enter. Trustpay underscore user. This is how it is. Okay, let's see if we can copy just that. Let's put our phone in system view. Okay, let's remove it from system view so that we can do mass copying. Should be easy for us. Okay, this is the system, the phone view of it. Now let's edit this. No, edit this one. This is the one we want to edit, not that. Sorry, I'm coming. This first one here, not password. Come on. Okay, if it does not want to edit, we can just delete and rewrite. Okay, let's delete trust pay underscore user. Okay, let's, since our database name and our database username is the same, so we are going to write the same thing in our database. Unless your database username is different from your database name, we are going to write the same thing in our database username. Trustpay. Are you following me? You are not following me again? Okay, we are still together, right? Okay, we are together. Trustpay underscore trustpay underscore user. Since we have given it the same name, now both our database name and our database username is the same. So we'll go and edit our password. We fixed password when we were doing registration of our database user. So the password I fix is I'm going to put my password. When I'm done with my password, I'll continue. When we are done putting our password, we just click save at the top right to save everything we have done. Okay, we'll save everything we have done. Once we have saved everything we have done, we believe by now our database is supposed to be connected to our website, is supposed to be connected to our database. Let's just try to view the website again and see what we have. It's still showing that 404 error. Resource question could not be found on the server. Okay, that means our database is not well connected. Let's check the name of our database, because if your name is not correct, trustpay underscore user, we are correct. That means there's a file that was not copied alongside with our script as we are editing it. Let's check for the file index.html. Everything is there. Everything is there. Then why is it not showing it? Okay. What we'll do is I discovered that our index page is zipped. Let's extract it to unzip it. Okay, our index page have been unzipped. Let's rename it. I'm seeing a dot there. Let's rename it to remove that. Okay, we now have a normal indexed page. You get. Let's go and view the page again to see if it will still show. Let's look for a trust pay.ng. Let's wait for it to open. Now our site is ready. That's how beautiful the site can be. Are you getting? Our site is fully functional and ready now. So let's click on login to see if it will open the login. The login is not opening. That will be from default of. Let's check registration page. It's not opening. Website web page not available. The web page at HTML could not be loaded. The error, fine, whatever. Let's go and check what the issue is. But this same way, this website is up and running. That's how complete website will be up and running. But let me just check to be sure what is wrong with it, so that we will. Okay, it has logged in. This is our VTU website. This is the landing page. Let's just delete the URL to the back, to the beginning. This is the landing page, how the landing page looks like. I get in there. This is our login page. Then this is our registration page. Everything is well connected to the server. Okay, so what we just need to do now is to log. Let me register. Which name will I use to register? Daniel. Then here will be Philip. Then here will be my phone number. Then here will be my email. Then we'll continue. My states. Let me use Edo State. My local government. I'll shut the website down, so it's not really important. My local government. My password. Sorry. My password. Let me use just com as my password. Again, just com. Okay, I repeated the password again. Then 4-digit pin. The pin I'll be using for transaction, just like OP and the rest. Let me use 4040. Let's register. Password should be at least 8 characters. Okay, let me just write just com 1 2 3. Okay, just com 1 2 3. Okay, let's register. We are registering already. It should register if our database is well connected. Okay, registration successful. It's redirecting us. This is exactly how, because we have not configured any pop-up message, that's why you see this. This is exactly how our website will look like. Okay, we have ability to register NIN, CAC registration, print, recharge, NIN slip, register as agent, and so on and so forth. You will have a very swift and well configured database like this, well configured website like this. Our history is going to be here. You can buy data by clicking up here. And you know the special thing about this? Let me open the admin panel. Or let's just leave that. In the next video, I'll show you the admin configuration, how you can enter your API, and you can see the button here is for your customers to chat you on WhatsApp if they want to chat you. And there you can print recharge card pin. This is to buy airtime, data airtime, and so many more. You click to go home, and our website is fully functional. Thank you for watching today's episode. Next time we'll teach you how to add data API and all the API you need for the website to fully function. Thank you so much.